The device will enter to the network connection state when the indicator flashes quickly. Open the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth of your phone and connect. Confirm your Wi-Fi signal is 2.4 吉赫. Connect the alarm base station to a smart light app. Launch the app and tap the plus jar in the top right corner to add a device. Tap Go to add. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Then tap Next. Now your base station is added successfully. Tap Done. To connect your remote controller, tap Accessories at the bottom to set up your remote. Tap Jia, Add. Then there will be followed by beeping sound from the base station. Turn on the promotion sensor. Tap Sensors, then tap Jia Add. Then there will be followed by a beeping sound from the base station. You need to wave your hand in front of the motion sensor. Tap Sensors, then tap Jia at the contact sensor. Then there will be followed by a beeping sound from the base station. Now you need to separate the contact sensor. Tap Sensors, then tap Jia at the doorbell. Then there will be followed by a beeping sound from the base station. Now press the doorbell button. Power on the smart camera and make sure the indicator is flashing rapidly or a prompt is heard. Back to the app main interface and tap the plus jar to add device. Tap camera lock. Tap smart camera Wi-Fi. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter password. Tap Next. Scan the QR code on your smart light app from 6 to 8 inches away to have a quick connection. Tap I have a prompt when you hear a prompt from the camera. Your smartphone is adding your smart camera. Just need to wait a moment. Now your smart security camera is successfully added to smart light app. Choose a name for the device and click done to view the live stream.